My first impression is that you've got a problem that cannot really be solved at that moment. So the one solve would be to add ABIT, well, assessment, so identification tool, and then solving that problem while you're busy doing the learnership. But that means turning an 8-hour week training, physically in class to probably 12 to 20 hours a week, depending how big the problem is. So also meaning that people won't be working. They'll be sitting in a training room all the time. And that probably outweighs the amount of money you've already spent on that learnership and hopefully haven't paid for it up front. But that problem can't be fixed. And if you're really, really sure that those learners are not going to be able to cope with a little help, but they need a lot of help, you're better off stopping that training. Again, assessing, understanding the problem, why learners can't cope, complete that learnership, then fixing that problem and then redoing that learnership. That would be the best way to solve it. We all struggle with that. Sometimes, obviously, broken projects is something Triple E has dealt with so many times, and we fix these problems, but there's no quick fix. And we've dealt with the problem many times, and if you've got the same problem, you're welcome to make contact with us, and we can help you solve that problem.